Hello everyone, welcome to the course on genetics. In this video, we are going to study different forms of dominance, that is incomplete dominance and codominance. In last video, we already seen law of dominance, in which we studied that F1 heterozygote plant, it contains two different alleles which have been came from two different parents. But in F1, only one allele which is dominant it get expressed, and another allele that is recessive it will not expressed at all, and it get masked by the dominant allele. So this particular concept is called as law of dominance. Though this law is applicable for many plants, but it cannot be seen in all the cases. There are some other forms of dominance like incomplete dominance, codominance, which will not follow the rule of law of dominance. So in this video, we will see these two forms, that is incomplete dominance and codominance, in detail with some suitable examples. Let us start with incomplete dominance. So sometimes what happen in a heterozygotes, a dominant allele does not completely mask the expression of recessive allele. As our law of dominance says, the dominant allele will completely mask the expression of recessive allele. But in this case, dominant allele it is not able to mask completely the expression of recessive allele, and in this case both alleles, that is dominant allele and recessive allele, they expresses themselves partially, forming an intermediate phenotype. So it is referred to as incomplete dominance. In law of dominance, we have seen that when we are selecting two parents, the one parent with red flowers and other parent with white colored flowers. In F1, only red colored flowers have appeared due to the dominant red color. This is law of dominance, but in this incomplete dominance case is somewhat different. Here the dominant allele redness will not mask completely the expression of the white allele, and here both alleles will get expressed partially. So this can be very clear by this example. See, if a red flower pea plant is crossed with white flowered pea plant, F1 hybrid pea plant will produce pink colored flowers. So see here, pink colored flowers. So this is intermediate phenotype between red and white. It will produce offspring other than the parents. It is neither white nor red. It is intermediate phenotype, that is pink color flowers, because the dominant red allele will not completely mask the expression of white allele, and both alleles they get expressed partially to themselves. So this particular concept is called as incomplete dominance. So see here, this is first parent, this is second parent. First parent is with red colored flowers and another parent is with white colored flowers. Here you can see gametes, and after mating of this gamete it will form a heterozygous offspring, and it is with pink colored flowers. So it is different than both of the parents. One parent was red color, one parent was white color, but offspring is pink color because both alleles get expressed partially. So this redness also partially expressed, whiteness is get partially expressed, and it has formed the intermediate form. The offspring will produce pink colored flowers. So this phenomena is called as incomplete dominance. Here you can see diagrammatic representation. These are red colored flowers, these are white colored flowers, and they have been formed pink colored flowers. So this is incomplete dominance. Let us see another type of dominance, that is codominance. So it is again another form. Here the case is somewhat different than dominance and incomplete dominance. Here no intermediate phenotype will be produced, but if both the alleles of a gene in a heterozygote will fully expressed to give rise to the phenotype, which is combination of phenotypes of both the parents, thus trait is neither dominant nor recessive. So unlike dominance, one trait was dominant and one allele was dominant, one allele was recessive. But here you can't see dominant and recessive phenotype, allele, trait. Here you can see both the alleles will express themselves fully, not partially. Both will express, and so that the phenotype of both the traits can be visible and it can be seen in the plant, that is the offspring. So this will be more clear from this. The coat color of the shorthorn breed of cattle, there are some cattles. When a cattle of red coat having genotype capital C or capital CR, it is crossed with the cattle of white coat, that is capital CW, the F1 heterozygote or hybrid is found to possess roan coat, that is genotype having capital R, capital C R, capital C W. So you can see it contains the both allele, that is CR and CW. In roan coat, the red and white hairs occur in definite patches, but no hair is intermediate color of red and white. So here you can see there is no intermediate color formation. Color of parent itself that will appear in the offspring in certain patches, means on that animal body some patches are of red color, some patches of white color, means both alleles get expressed and they are seen in your offspring. So this particular concept is known as codominance. Here one thing you have to remember, here neither dominant nor recessive character can be seen. Both type of phenotypes can be appeared into the offspring. So the phenotype of first parent and phenotype of second parent, both will be observed in the offspring. So this is known as codominance, means both alleles are coordinated and they are cooperative with each other, and they will produce offspring phenotype in combination. So this is called as codominance. So here you can see this is suppose red coat colored cattle, and this is white coat colored cattle. Here you can't see the intermediate color, but it contains the color of parent itself, but it contains the color of both parents. So you can see this is the color of this parent red coat, and it contains indefinite patches of white color on this red color. So this will form roan coat. So this particular color is called as roan coat, and it contains genotype CRCW. This parent, pure parent, it contains CRCR. This another pure parent contains CWCW, but this offspring it contains both alleles in combination, so that the offspring will have produced the phenotype of both parents. So this is known as the concept of codominance. These are some references used for the presentation. If you like video, please like, comment, subscribe, press bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you.